The Cytokine Vial Adapter is designed to seamlessly transfer lyophilized powder or liquid into a media bag. Its resin materials are non-toxic and fully compliant with USP Class 6 standards. Packaged as a single-use adapter, it allows for seamless integration into a closed system process. The Cytokine Vial Adapter ensures safe and sterile transfer with its key components: a sterile syringe, a three-way valve which adjusts the liquid flow pathway by rotation, a vial adapter, a 0.22 micrometer sterile filter, a check valve, and a weldable PVC tubing. Step 1. Remove the Cytokine Vial Adapter from its sterile pouch. Secure the blue clamp at the tubing end. Maintain 15 centimeters of free length. Aseptically weld the adapter to the media bag tubing. Step 2. Position the three-way valve to connect the adapter to the syringe and close off the media line. Then aspirate 5 milliliters of air into the syringe. Adjust the direction of the three-way valve again to connect the syringe directly to the media bag. Step 3. Attach the vial to the adapter securely. Open the blue clamp and the media clamp. Hold the syringe in a vertical position with the vial attached below. Withdraw about 10 milliliters of media through the check valve. Step 4. For lyophilized powder, set the three-way valve to the vial syringe pathway. Inject medium to approximately 2/3 of the vial's volume, syringe on top. Gently agitate the vial for 1 to 2 minutes to completely dissolve the cytokine. Then turn the assembly by 180 degrees so that the vial is on top and the syringe is at the bottom. Withdraw the dissolved cytokine into the syringe by slowly pulling the plunger. Note, if there is too much air in the syringe during this process, which affects suction, you can gently push the air into the vial and then continue to draw the cytokine. For liquid, skip the step of dissolving lyophilized powder and directly withdraw the liquid cytokine into the syringe. Step 5. Turn the assembly again to position the syringe on top. Inject the solution back into the vial to about 2/3 of its volume and shake it gently for rinsing. Then, draw the liquid back into the syringe slowly. Step 6. Align the three-way valve to the syringe media path. Turn the assembly again, syringe above vial. Slowly push the plunger to transfer the solution through the 0.22 micrometer filter into the media bag. Note, leave about 1 milliliter in the syringe to prevent air from passing through the filter, which causes back pressure and affects rinsing. Step 7. Mix the medium in cytokine by shaking the bag gently. Draw 5 to 10 milliliters of medium into the syringe again. Slowly rinse the tubing and the filter. Purge the residual liquid using the air in the syringe. Step 8. Close the fluid pathway by turning the three-way valve. Close the clamp on the tubing. Seal off and sever the tubing between the media bag and the adapter. Pro tips. 1. Users can repeat Step 5 for better recovery of cytokines. 2. For additional cytokines, users can close off the vial and syringe line by adjusting the three-way valve, then replace it with a new vial after Step 5 and repeat Step 4 to Step 5.